MCQ Part 2. Class 9th Science. Chapter 2 is Matter around us is pure. 1. Which of the following are physical changes? I. Melting of iron metal. E. Rusting of iron. E. Bending of an iron rod. IV. Drawing a wire of iron metal. A. I. E. and E. B. I. E. and IV. C. I. E. and IV. D. E. E. and IV. Solution 1. C. I. E. and IV. During the process of rusting of iron, iron reacts with water and oxygen to produce iron oxide, hence it is a chemical change. 2. Which of the following are chemical changes? I. Decaying of wood. E. Burning of wood. E. Sawing of wood. IV. Hammering of a nail into a piece of wood. A. I. and E. B. E. and E. C. E. and IV. D. I. and IV. Solution 2. A. I. and E. Decaying of wood and burning of wood are chemical changes as there will be a change of chemical composition and wood cannot be restored to its original form. 3. Two substances, A and B, were made to react to form a third substance, A2B, according to the following reaction. 2A plus B, right pointing arrow A to B. Which of the following statements concerning this reaction are incorrect? I. The product A2B shows the properties of substances A and B. E. The product will always have a fixed composition. E. The product so formed cannot be classified as a compound. IV. The product so formed is an element. A. I. E. and E. B. E. E. and IV. C. I. E. and IV. D. E. E. and IV. Solution 3. C. I. E. and IV. A2B is a compound made up of two elements A and B in a fixed ratio. The properties of a compound, e.g., A2B, are entirely different from those of its constituent elements, i.e., A and B. The composition of a compound is fixed. 4. Two chemical species X and Y combine together to form a product P which contains both X and Y. X plus Y, right pointing arrow P. X and Y cannot be broken down into simpler substances by simple chemical reactions. Which of the following concerning the species X, Y and P are correct? I. P is a compound. E. X and Y are compounds. E. X and Y are elements. IV. P has a fixed composition. A. I. E. and E. B. I. E. and IV. C. E. E. and IV. D. I. E. and IV. Solution 4. D. I. E. and IV. As X and Y cannot be further broken down into simpler substances, they are elements. P can be broken down to simpler substances, hence it is a compound with a fixed composition. 5. Which of the following are heterogeneous in nature? I. Colloids. E. Suspensions. E. Water. IV. Air. A. I. and E. B. E. and IV. C. I. and E. D. E. and IV. Solution 5. C. I. and E. Colloids and suspensions are heterogeneous mixtures as their constituents do not have uniform composition throughout the mixtures.